through Bitcamp, and then also just like doing a lot of other stuff together, we've gotten to become closer.
Yeah.
Basically.
Well, you literally said that, so you can
Okay.
go for it.
Bitcamp is one of the East Coast's largest student-run hackathons. It's a place for innovation and collaboration and just making technology accessible to all. Every spring we host about 1,000 hackers from across the country who come to develop their technical skills, network with sponsors, meet other people who have the same tech interests as them, and compete to earn prizes.
Bitcamp started back in 2013 from a group of students who had a vision to create a hackathon that was more about collaboration and creativity versus one of competition. And so we're really excited to continue that mission.
Bitcamp was in no way the first hackathon. There were a lot that we went to before it. But one thing that we wanted out of it was a non-competitive atmosphere, for it to be fun, for it to be welcoming, for it to be inviting. And that's one reason why I think it's important too, is you need a hackathon that can bring everyone in, not just the people who are really, hardcore coders. It should be for everyone to come.
I guess it probably would have been 11 years ago,
Yeah.
but there was sort of this newish atmosphere of college hackathons. So that was the era where big college hackathons organized by students is something that really came to be. Like Johnny said, we weren't the first ones, but there was sort of this ragtag group of people that started going to them, and we got enough attention that companies started paying for us to fly out, to get on buses and go out to these other hackathons. And it was just sort of this group of people that was like, why don't we take that and bring it here and have a chance to experience that at our school.
I knew that artificial intelligence and machine learning were topics in tech that were very up and coming and would be important for me to know about, but it was kind of daunting to determine how to get involved, how to understand what exactly is AI, what is machine learning. And I think Bitcamp does a really good job of that with our tracks, because we host Introduction to Machine Learning workshops. We allow students to create their first ML projects, and I think it just shows them that, yeah, they can use ML. It's not as difficult or as gate-kept, I guess, as it might seem, and that it's easy for you to get involved if you want to. There are resources available, and we've tried to make that possible for our hackers.
The Do Good Campus Fund has allowed us to increase the amount of hackers that we're able to bring from outside of UMD, as well as to foster a greater sense of community within our hackathon at Bitcamp. We're able to use the money that we've received from the Do Good Institute to offer travel reimbursements for hackers traveling to Bitcamp from across the country to sort of even the playing field and allow students from all across the country to learn about tech, explore their interests, and build projects that do good.
In addition to that, we've used Do Good Campus funding to host a series of mini events throughout our weekend. These are just kind of fun little activities that we allow our hackers to partake in. Last year we did a wooden car painting one. We've done s'mores, which is an annual tradition for us because we are campfire themed. And then also in addition to that, retro gaming, events like that, just to kind of show students that being in the tech space isn't all about competition or intense work. It can be about fun, and also just encouraging them to be able to connect with other hackers who are at our hackathon.
And finally, we're able to provide a series of prize categories to encourage hackers to pursue projects that are doing good, such as ones for social good, sustainability, and other kinds of things that get hackers thinking about what can they do to change the world for good around them using technology.
I really love Bitcamp and hackathons in particular because the way that you can iterate on practically any idea that you choose over a short period of time, it allows you to kind of learn at a really fast pace compared to like the classroom, and I guess use your time towards things that you're really interested in learning.
Now as a Bitcamp organizer at UMD, I'm able to see the groups of high schoolers that we have attend Bitcamp and learn about tech for the first time and come back year after year and continue to build their confidence and their skills. Last year we had a group of students come from a Baltimore City high school, and we have like a really nice picture of them all together. It's really inspiring to see all the students come together and learn and build together. And so that confidence that I was able to gain throughout middle school and high school myself from events like this is something that continues to motivate me to give back to the community like this.